Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess what TV? And guess what? Today I'll be making a plantain porridge. Stay tuned, guys. These are the ingredients that we'll need: vanilla, salt, condensed milk, coconut milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, and of course the plantain. So we have our boiling water. We had a little salt, not too much, and we're going to prepare the plantain. The amount of plantain you use will depend on the amount of persons you're preparing this porridge for. I like to use a pair of gloves sometimes to take away the stain from my hands. And now we're going to cut to small pieces, so you can either use your magic bullet or your blender. In my case, I was going to use the magic bullet, but I forgot that it wasn't working, so I had to switch to the blender. I'm going to pour a little coconut milk. Then I'm going to add some water. As I said before, I forgot that the magic bullet wasn't working, so I had to switch to the blender. Nevertheless, it does the same work. So we blend until it's all liquid. Now it's time to pour in the pot, which would have been boiling for some time. We have to keep whisking it around to prevent lumps from forming. This is a very beautiful porridge. My kids love it. Plantain porridge, Jamaican style. So we let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes while you keep whisking it around. After that, we're going to add our vanilla. Then our other spices such as nutmeg and the cinnamon powder. If you have bay leaf, you can put it in it, whatever you choose. Keep whisking, as I said, to prevent lumps from forming. Now it's time to add our condensed milk. You can add sugar also if you like. Sweeten to taste. This is a beautiful porridge, quick and easy for breakfast. Plantain porridge, Jamaican style. And here we have it, our beautiful plantain porridge, Jamaican style. Quick and easy, very tasty. A total of 20 minutes will get you this lovely plantain porridge. So here we have the finished product, guys. Jamaican plantain porridge. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching.